Hey guys, I don't know if y'all have seen what's trending on social media today, but people are asking their moms how long you microwave a 25-pound turkey. So we're gonna ask people in the office. How long would I microwave a 25-pound turkey?
Why would you microwave a 25-pound turkey?
I would say 45 minutes, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
But
wait, I mean, how big is your microwave? Can you really fit?
I'd say
check on it every 5 minutes.
30 minutes.
Oh my god.
I would put it in an oven first.
So are you trying to cook it, or are you?
Yeah, in the microwave.
Yeah.
In the microwave. Oh my god. I don't even know. It'd probably take at least an hour or more.
What? Why would you do that? You just don't do a turkey. You can't do that if you don't have an oven. 45 minutes.
I've seen this. You're not gonna fool me.
Am I being spoofed?